In this video, I will show you how to swap Solana to Ethereum on Phantom Wallet. To do this, go and open up Phantom Wallet and just click on swap. Now at the top you want to set it to Solana, so just click on whatever it says now and select Solana. Now at the bottom click on whatever it says for you, so for me USDC, and from here you can then search for Ethereum. Now there are a few options. You can do Ethereum on the Solana network, so you can see then you have the portal, but if you want to do the normal Ethereum, you can just do it on the Ethereum network, although you can also find it on Base. Now I'll do it on Ethereum, so click Ethereum right here, then choose how much you want to swap. For example, I will do 50% right here. Then you can see the fees and how much you will receive. And now what you want to do is just click on swap now. And now it's going to swap your Solana for Ethereum, so just wait for this to finish up. And now you can see it first swaps it for USDC, and then from USDC it's going to swap it to Ethereum. So as you can see, I have now swapped it for Ethereum. So that's how to swap Solana to Ethereum on Phantom Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.